बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 7 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। रिलायंस इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस इन कराची। पोजीशन माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट, रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस MSc माइक्रोबायोलॉजी with 8 to 10 years of experience in a multinational company. GM operations ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फूड प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट ब्रैकेट क्लोज। BE in food engineering with 8 to 10 years of experience in a multinational company. Interested candidates may send their updated CVs along with complete educational and experience certificates with a recent passport size photograph on or before 31 2024 at below email ID info@reliancepetrochem.com www.reliancepetrochem.com। अच्छा जी, अब ये सेंट्रल पावर परचेजिंग एजेंसी गारंटी लिमिटेड, a company of government of Pakistan. Central Power Purchasing Agency is a public limited company registered under Companies Ordinance 1984 CPPAG, has been licensed by NEPRA as a market operator of Pakistan electricity market and is centrally facilitating the establishment of competitive wholesale electricity market in Pakistan. CPPAG is looking for aspiring and talented BPR professional for its market operations and development department. We offer challenging opportunities and prospects under conducive working environment with attractive market based salary. Required qualification consultant ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है business process administration and re-engineering ब्रैकेट close. Required qualification MBA MIT MSc और BS degree ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 16 years of HEC equivalent education in business administration, computer sciences और project management MS/MPhil ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 18 years of HEC equivalent education ब्रैकेट close. Degree in any of the above mentioned category would be given a preference. Professional certificates in business analysis, project management, digital transformation etc. be an added advantage. Professional certifications in business analysis, project management, digital transformation etc. be an added advantage. Professional requirements: minimum 15 years of post qualification experience including at least 10 years of experience in projects related to business process re-engineering, business analysis, ERP implementation management, business process improvement etc. Verifiable experience of at least 3 large scale business process re-engineering projects in the public or private sector ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferable in Pakistan. Verifiable experience of at least 3 projects in managing or leading in the implementation of ERP or other similar enterprise level IT software systems in the public sector or large scale private organizations. Work experience in power sector related projects would be an added advantage. Duration: the duration of the assignment is 2 years from the date of joining. General instructions: number 1, the detailed TORs of above position is available on www.people.com.pk/ क्या लिखा हुआ en/jobs ओ लिखा हुआ है कि EN लिखा हुआ, समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे, एंड www.cppa.gov.pk. Application can be submitted within 15 days from the date of this advertisement. Publication date है 7th January 2024. Candidates having prior experience of working in power sector companies will be given preference. Candidates already in government service should apply through proper channel / obtaining NOC from respective departments / organizations. Otherwise their candidature will not be accepted. Number 5, only successful candidates will be contacted by CPPAG for further process of recruitment. 6, the information provided in application form will be verified by the company. In case of any false or forged information, a company reserves the right to cancel the candidature at any stage, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ even after employment if so, discovered later, bracket close, and to initiate legal action against the applicant. CPPAG reserves the right to cancel recruitment process anytime without any prior intimation. CPPAG is an equal employment opportunity employer. Females are encouraged to apply. Place of posting Islamabad. Remuneration of position is negotiable based on the overall experience and qualification. Interested candidates can apply at www.people.com.pk/en/jobs. Number 12. Advertisement is also available Prime Minister National Job Portal /National Employment Exchange tool. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट क्लोज वेबसाइट https://jobs.gov.pk. People it's better together Professional Employers Private Limited. 1C Jhelum Block Green Forest 2 Canal Road Lahore. Helpline number 04211100737 04211100737. अच्छा जी, ये सादिक पब्लिक स्कूल की जॉब है. एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशन. बर्सर ए प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन ACA/ACCA/ACMA/CIMA और इक्विवेलेंट. E.G.MBA/BS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंस ब्रैकेट क्लोज. M.Com प्रीफरेबली फॉरेन क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम अ रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी/प्रोफेशनल बॉडी. Candidates who possess MBA/LLB and fellowship of professional accounting bodies will have an advantage. Specialized ICT skills. Candidate must have 10 to 15 years of relevant post-qualification experience in a senior management position in a reputed institution/organization. A competitive salary package negotiable based on qualifications and experience. 3-year contract in the first instance with 1 year probationary period. Further details, job description and application form are available on our website www.sadiqpublicschool.com. Incomplete or online applications will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview. Applications must arrive by courier service or by post at the latest by 31st January 2024. Candidates called for an interview will not be entitled to TA/DA. अच्छा, कुछ और जॉब्स हैं. सिचुएशंस पैकेट बिजनेस एग्जीक्यूटिव टू प्रमोट फूड स्टेबलाइजर सॉल्यूशंस to dairy and bakery industries across Pakistan. Persons to have MSc degree in food technology/engineering with sound knowledge of dairy and bakery products processing and capability to understand and apply right food solutions for the targeted food industries. Position is Karachi based. Age 30 to 40 years. Having own transport shall have preference. Please apply on email address bestfoodsolutions26@gmail.com. Situation vacant Pakistan. Applications are invited from male/female candidates for appointment as English instructor. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है BPS 17 at PNS Himalaya on yearly contract basis. Candidate must be at least PS Honours/MA in English from HEC recognized university. Application addressed to commanding officer PNS Himalaya along with CV attested photocopies of documents. CNIC and 1 photograph is to reach PNS Himalaya, मनोड़ा आइलैंड कराची 75640. टेलीफोन नंबर है 02148505021 48505021 एंड मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 0916053. 0300091605 बाय 1 Feb 2024। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।